How to get rid of Reels from Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to get rid of Reels from Instagram and also tell you what is and what isn't possible. So here, let's be clear from the start that the Instagram does not provide any official option to completely disable or remove the Reels from the app. So here, Reels are a core feature, so they cannot fully turn it off. However, there are a few things that you can do to reduce or avoid Reels as much as possible. So first, when you open the Instagram app and log in with your account, you can simply go to your profile, and there you can just tap on the menu icon at the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, from here you can simply tap on the search bar and simply type content preferences and simply tap on it. And now here you can go to the sensitive content, and here you can check it as less, and with that you can also go back, and there you can simply toggle off this option that says suggest political content, and with that you can also go back, and there you can simply tap on specific words and phrases. And now here, if you have set any specific words and phrases here, you can simply delete it, and from here, doing all this, you can reduce content that you are not interested in. And when you see a reel you don't like, you can just tap on the three dot icon in that particular reel, and now here from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on not interested, and if you keep doing this, Instagram will slowly show you a fewer reels. And another thing is that you can do is avoid the reel tab completely. So you can use Instagram mainly for stories, messages and following feed. But here you can also switch to following feed instead of default feed, which shows fewer suggested posts and reels. So in short, you cannot fully disable Instagram reels, but you can limit, reduce and avoid them using this method. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.